Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start our 86 Chevy K10 up here. You can hear the fan. There's the stereo. There's your oil pressure gauge. About an eighth of a tank. Blinkers, horn works, and the wipers work. Kind of slow, but they work. Power locks work. There's your power window. On both sides. Dome light. So the only thing I know whether it doesn't work or not is the tank switch. I don't know on that. But we'll show you the lights and take a listen to the engine. Just regular exhaust on it. AC, I got it on. See there, it kicked on. So probably a little low and Freon. Headlights. And your tail lights. So I think everything works on the truck. Except for I don't know on the tank switcher. I haven't tried it. So any questions? 605-695-7391.